If your system has a lot of problems, it's not working fine and it has a lot of issues, you can make your computer, you can make your laptop new again after resetting your PC. So today in this tutorial, I'll be telling you the easiest way to reset your PC. It will be a step-by-step process and I'll tell you the best way to do it. So here I'll do a right click in the start icon and then I'll go to settings. And then we will go to system from the left hand side and then we will scroll down and here you will find recovery, reset, advanced startup, go back. So we will click on recovery. So to make the PC brand new, especially Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, make sure if you have a laptop, then the charger should be plugged in, because resetting the PC, your charger should be plugged in, otherwise it will not let you reset your PC. So I'll select reset this PC and then we will click on. Now here it says keep my files and remove everything. That means if you select remove everything, it will remove everything like apps, files, data, photos, pictures and everything. But if you select keep my files, it will remove apps and settings, but it will keep your personal files like your pictures, documents like that. But still the app will be removed. So I would recommend, it's up to you. You can select keep my files. That's the recommendation, and then you will see how would you like to reinstall Windows. Now, I would recommend to select the local reinstall, because if you click on cloud download, it is good, but it will take time. And if you have a very high speed internet, then you can go with the cloud download. Otherwise, go with local reinstall. Reinstall Windows from this device, and the cloud download may use more than 4 GB of data. So we will go with the local reinstall. By any chance, if this local reinstall doesn't work, you can always come back to cloud download and do the same. Okay, so I'll select local reinstall and it says restore app settings which came with this PC, reinstall Windows. I'll click on next and it says things getting ready. This won't take long. Now it will show you what exactly needs to be done. Now it says resetting will change settings back to their defaults. It will keep your personal file, reinstall Windows from this device, and remove all apps and programs that didn't come with this PC. So we will select view apps that will be removed. You can see the whole list of apps which you have installed that will be removed from your computer. Okay. So once you click on restart, it will restart and it will let you know. The online steps is very easy. You just need to click on next and restart a few times and you will be able to reset your PC and make your computer like a brand new machine. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.